Paulson Street or Park Drive, which are very cheap and very close to college, as well as they don't charge you like a particular amount you have to pay. So that token amount is not being charged at these two places. Otherwise, you'll have to pay the entire rent as a token amount to your agent, which will be pretty expensive. So I'm staying at Paulson, and my friend took care of everything. He was already at Northeastern, like he was a senior 1 year old, and he was like my childhood friend. So we were very close. So it was very straightforward for me. That was pretty straightforward. You can sign it online also. It needs like passport and I-20. Much like the rent and all was pretty fixed, and it's pretty standard. It's around 500 to 550 at these two places per person. I'm saying like around 2,200 for the room, 1 BHK. Utility like internet is around $70 per month for the whole room, so it will be divided as per the number of roommates. Electricity is around 30 to 40, and like it depends if you're using AC and anything, then it will shoot. Rent is around like 500 to 550. You will be sharing your room with one person, and like the train network is pretty good in Boston, so you can try that also. And otherwise, for vegetables and grocery, it will be around 60 to $80. So rent is around 500. So around 600 will be your monthly expenditure. Not really, but yeah, first semester was the most difficult one because you have no idea what are they expecting with respect to assignments, what are the grading standards, criteria, whom to approach, where to go. So first sem was difficult kind of. Otherwise, then I realized where I should go and whom should I ask. So then it became pretty manageable. I personally didn't feel much of homesick as such, but people in general feel in the first semester. Later on, it's pretty manageable. And here the like around 80% students in your batch will be Indians, so you won't feel that homesick or something. And home Indian food is also pretty easily available, so again, it's not a big deal. Yeah, that is like compulsory, and it's pretty similar with what you have in India. So you have to attend that, and it will be a full day event. So they will start with what is Northeastern, the different aspects of Northeastern, then basic idea about the courses which are compulsory, and then basic idea about what is plagiarism, why you shouldn't do, and all stuff. So it's compulsory, and you should attend one day event. That's it. Majority are from India, around 70 to 75%, and 10-15 to around 20% are from China, and the rest 10% are from United States or different countries. Yeah, around 50%. Like I don't have an exact idea, but around 50 to 60% people had a prior experience. There is a festival called as Fall Fest when you're coming for a day or something. So in that day, they'll have every extracurricular group will be having their booths all over the campus. So around 100 to 80 booths are there where they will be explaining and how could you join them. So they keep events, like one of my friend goes to board game event. So that event takes place at the college every Friday from 8 o'clock in the night up to 12 o'clock or something. So like it's personal choice, but I generally wouldn't suggest you, because like if you have time then you can go ahead, otherwise it's up to you. But there are a lot of options, and they'll tell you everything in detail when you come here.